sunset by the side of Lake Elementaita. The lake is a salty water lake and it is in the Great Rift Valley, about 120 kilometers from Nairobi, Kenya, and 41 kilometers from Nakuru, Kenya. Welcome to Just World YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking. If you're new, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you join the Just World family, where we do food, finance, travel, and community service. In today's video, we're going to do a tour of one of the hotels facing Lake Elementaita. We are going to start our tour from one of their cottages. We started from the side of the bathroom. As you can see, you can take your shower in the bathroom outside the cottage. And next to it is the bathroom which is inside the cottage. The choice is yours. One of the things I liked most about this resort is that the rooms are very spacious. As you can see now, we have the sinks there, and on the other side we have the toilet, and there's so much space. They really didn't mince on their spaces, and you really enjoy your space as you enjoy your stay. So we are now heading into the main room. As you can see, here is the bed. It's a very big bed, and the space between the bed is also huge. At least you get to enjoy your space and your stay and your privacy, because the cottages are a few meters apart from each other. So you're just having a comfort, like just in your own house. And the beauty and the African touch was everything for me. So beautiful, so lovely, and so classy. See it for yourself. All the accessories are available in the room. You'll see several tables. You can also work from the cottage if you need to. You can see over here there's a safe that if you need to keep your items safe. There's a jug if you'd like to cook something. Of course, they give you some water. I loved the red wall that is facing the door. Next, we are going to go to the other rooms, which are not standalones like the cottages. As you walk in, you'll find a bed. One of the things that stood out for me, especially on the bed, is the vintage touch. If you look at the bed, the poles of the bed are just that vintage touch, and I really love them. So the accessories in the room are intact. You can come with your baby. As you can see, there's a cot next to the bed. There's a TV in the room. There's a table. You can place your items. On the other end, as you have seen, there is, okay, here it is. As you can also work from your room, and the view outside is amazing. You're facing Lake Elementaita. How amazing. And the beautiful garden is just so lovely. So from the room you can see Lake Elementaita, and you can also see the cottages that are there. So that is where the lake is, and those are the cottages. Beautiful, a serene environment out of the normal city hustles and bustles. It is just lovely. And the breeze from the lake, especially in this hot weather, is amazing. So there is the room, there is the bed, the cot, and it's the view of outside as you come in. Then that's the bathroom, the cot now, and the bed. Now we are heading to the bathroom. There's another table there before you get to the bathroom, and a stool. Then you get to the bathroom. This is the shower room. As you can see, spacious and it's hot shower. Then there is the toilet, clean. The environment, the rooms are very clean. And there is the sink and the mirror. Yeah, that is another beautiful room. Amazing. And of course, there's the dressing mirror right there. Thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.